Today, we're gonna make a art holder. We need a skewer, a couple of these, string of any color you want, some cut wrapping paper, and some tape, and a wood skewer. First, we'll take. We also need some scissors too. Start by taking some of this, and we wrap it around the wood skewer. We take this, put one end of it, and tape it on. We get some tape and get some of this and get some of this and tape it on. So after you finish taping, you wrap it around the skewer. Like this. So we're going to wrap it around. Now we take some of the wrapping paper and put it around the tape. Put it in just one section of the skewer. So I took some of the wrapping paper and wrapped it around the bottom really tightly and taped it. Now, this is the last step, and we need to put some pens onto it. Then we can use it. You can finish it. And then we did. And here's what we get in the end.